Na dollar. $1. How I wish say that this kind of money they see for the safe way they see for Nigeria. Nigeria are just comedy. Now, if you enter Lagos, everybody they go about with whistle. Everybody is a whistle blower now. Some people they carry trumpets now, vuvuzela. They're ready to blow anything. What? Do you know how much they will make? If you expose one person, 5% of the money. So now everybody they do their driver well, they do their gateman well, they do. All of them we get uncle with the thief. And just take care of the house boy, pay them money. That's what they are doing now. Nigeria is such a funny country. Very, very funny. What did they perform me say? If you ask government now, okay, check the account, is anything missing? They say nothing is missing. Nothing. I'm sure if you say that they move the kind of money where they move for Nigeria for America, America will not die. What am I saying? Even London here. You say what thing? What in they talk? You I still say waiting. Imagine waiting with they celebrate for Nigeria. They don't announce eco distribution waiting. NEPA for Lagos. Don't talk say for the season. Say we go get uninterrupted light in Lagos. Good Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. After that Monday, then we'll begin to take their light again. I doubt if that light go there. Bring the TV, make them see us a big rich. You see, Nigerians, they don't say whether the TV they inside. Okay. Thank you. But shift and go back. Come. Hey, brother. Then they sponsor this show. This one where will bring their product put here. Where they don't sponsor. Then sponsor. Okay. They say they no sponsor. They no sponsor. Why not come put them for stage now? TV don't change now. Those days when they use black and white TV for Lagos. Not be all these ones now. Those ones where they turn antenna that year. They'll turn antenna, change channel. If he break, he go carry pliers, still they change them. And the unique thing about the TV, when the TV won't spoil, they form line, 2 lines. They go cut the close, small. Then I get them. Those days now we get JVC TV, Panasonic, Sanyo, Toshiba. Which one? Bros, which one? My brother, I'm not old. I don't even know this brand one at the top.